Hi everyone, welcome to today's K-pop dance tutorial. My name is Marina and today we're going to learn the choreography for JENNIE's ExtraL. This dance has 5 sections and we'll break it down step by step so that you can easily follow along. Keep in mind that this video is mirrored, so my left is your left and my right is your right. So stretch a little, find a space to dance and let's get started. I'll start by showing you the first section with counts. It is really small section, only has 4 counts. Just watch for now and after that we'll break it down step by step. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and let's do it together. So for our legs position, we bend our knees and knees looking to the sides. You have open space here and the right leg is on the front. With our hands, we go from our hips up to the top and then our hands go down behind our head and then we turn facing to the left side, but the head is turning back. And then on end count, we do end. So raise your chest a little and at the same time your left leg. Place your hand in front of your shoulder and keep your fist. So we have this position and it prepares us to the next section. Let's try again with counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and great. Now let's start learning the second section and I'll start by showing you it and then break it down each move step by step. So we begin from here and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. All right, let's do it together slowly. So starting from here on end count, we again raise our chest and your back is straight and then we do roll, right? So with your right palm you draw like a circle and then at the same time raise your shoulder a little to help yourself to do it. Your chest is going in and out, in, out, roll like this, and at the same time you raise your left leg, so and roll, so raise and then stomp your left leg. After that we're gonna do clap with our hands while turning to the left side. So we do clap, step with your right leg, step with your left leg, and then we do step to the front while putting our hands, the right hand hugging our waist and the left hand is on your back and the palm is facing upwards. All right, and with our hips next we're gonna like draw an 8. Try to do it. So 3 and right, 3 and when we do these hip movements we close our left palm starting from pinky like this. Let's try 3 and then on end face your hips to the front and on 4 count we're gonna step, keep your feet together, knees a little bit bent and then you place your hands behind your back and elbows looking to the sides. From here we learn hand movements first, so we do and so we close our elbows, they are facing to the front and then place your left palm on top of the right one and move it to the right side a little bit and then we go down, down, up and up to the forehead and then we do 7, 8. So it's like stars are falling down, right? And keep your index finger looking down. So 7, 8. On 8, put your left hand on your waist and right hand is behind your body. So let's try hands only again. We do 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Let's now learn the leg moves and what they do from here is and raise your left knee and then we step to the left and your hip is also going to the left and then we do roll and roll. So your hips go in counterclockwise, and at the same time you sit and then you go up by rolling your hips. So we go 6, and here your knees are straight, and then we reach even further like this. So place your left foot on toes and heel is up. So we do 7, 8. On 8, just jump, your feet are together, knees are bent, and we are looking diagonally to the right side. Now let's try the whole section from the beginning as slowly with counts, and we will start from here. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's try again. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now I'm gonna show you the third section. Just watch for now. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So we start in this position. Make sure to raise your knee and it looks to the right side, and your hand is on the left shoulder, and slide it across down to your elbow, and then we go down, but your right hand is bent, palm is facing to the right. Then we're gonna jump upwards like this. So we're in this position, and jump on your left leg and your hands facing to the right side. So we do bam. Okay, so right leg is raised and your upper body looking to the right, and you keeping fists like this. Then we do 3, and so just open and open your palms. 3 and 4. We're going down and hold your thighs. 4 and 5 and 6. So we jump and reaching our hand upwards on and count. We just try to grab something, and your right leg is raised in the air. So we do and 5. On 5 we step to the right and raise our right hip. Also raise your left hand, and at the same time you do circles with your right hand like this. So let's try again slowly. 4 and 5 and 6 and. So here what you do is just hit your right hip to the right, making circle motion with your hips, but make sure to emphasize the hit on the right side. So 5 and 6, and at the same time we do circle, circle, circle with our right hand, and then we do and cross 7, 8. So from here, our hands are sliding across our body while we do 7, step to the left side and then to the right side and do like a little wave. Okay, now let's review the whole section from the beginning, from here, slowly with counts. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And one more time. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Great, we already learned half of the dance. Let's go over everything from the beginning. So we review from here, slowly with counts. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Great job, everyone, and this is the end of the preview available on YouTube. If you'd like access to the full 5 sections dance tutorial, including the whole chorus practice with music at different speeds, you can click the link to my website in the pinned comment or in the video description below, and you'll also find other K-pop tutorials on my website. Thank you for learning this dance challenge with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!